Come on up.
Your Honor, Williams bond.
Judge Fleischer is already setting the tone with strict bond conditions: no contact, no weapons. He's not playing around, ensuring this case stays on track and the public stays
No
safe.
contact, no weapons. Yes, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Neela. Sir, you are charged with reckless driving. You're facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $500 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
One moment, Your Honor.
Take your time. No rush.
Okay. On January 5th, 2025, the officer observed the defendant's vehicle at the 8400 block of Katy Freeway approach from the rear at 107 miles per hour in a 60 mile per hour zone and passed the patrolled motor vehicle. The officer caught up to the defendant's vehicle and observed the vehicle to be traveling 118 miles per hour in the 60 mile per hour zone, along with cutting multiple vehicles off and almost striking one motor vehicle. A traffic stop was conducted and the officer made contact with the defendant, the driver and sole occupant of the vehicle. The defendant stated he was just going with
The defendant claims he was just going with the flow of traffic, but traveling 118 miles per hour? That's no excuse. Do you think this defense holds water, or is it just a desperate attempt to avoid responsibility?
flow of traffic.
Mr. Neela, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm now ordering you not to drive any vehicle whatsoever. Do you understand? You will be signing an affidavit with me today, promising me you're not going to drive. And if you do, you can be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you drive. Do you understand? If you would like, I can have you fill out an application or an appointed lawyer, and I can see whether you qualify to have you talk with someone today. Would you like to do that? Okay. Do you mind giving an application? I'll give you an application. I need to know everything about you, how much money you make, how much money you spend, how much money you have in the bank. I'll take a look to see if you qualify. If you do, I'll provide your lawyer today.
Marcus Neela?
Judge, can I post
Judge.
in the jury
Yeah.
regarding to a case review? I can give you a.
Okay, give me a call. Yeah. Let me have it.
Okay.
Judge, did you already talk to him about his non-driving affidavit and all that? That's what just go over there and sign your bond.
I told him that he can't drive.
Yeah, I know.
We're nearly 120 miles an hour weaving in and out of traffic.
No, I got you.
I just came back from work, like I had to get half a day, how much did you go back?
My only condition,
Could there be like a curfew or something, or like anything like that? Cause I have to.
nearly 120 miles an hour in and out of traffic.
I'll talk to you in a second. Okay. Did you sign her bond?
Arispe, come up.
And the uncle and his wife are in the corner.
Are you the uncle? Come on up. Thank you so much. You speak English, right? Thank you so much for coming. Speak English as well? Thank you so much for coming. That's great. When I have a support system for helping people out, because we want to know, we want people to leave better than when they came. This is the second case that we're working here. And we want to make sure that we don't end up with a third, or we don't end up, So, but what are you doing with yourself now, Mr. Arispe?
Trying to go to school.
Like trying? What does trying mean?
Currently, like enrolling into a new school. So
Okay, you need to do that. And I'm making that a condition of your bond. You have to get back into school. You cannot go through life without a minimum, a high school diploma. You will make pennies to where everybody makes a dollar. You have to have your high school diploma. It all starts there. In this life,
This is where the judge's wisdom shines, tying the defendant's future to education. A high school diploma, no smoking weed, no alcohol. Could this tough love approach really change the course of his life, or is it setting him up for failure?
this life is a journey. It's a road that you travel, and it can be a really great road filled with nice vacations, a nice house, a nice car, or it can be a completely miserable one where you're just fighting with everybody because you have no money. That's why people get divorced. They're always fighting because they don't have money, and it starts right here, and it starts with an education. That's what you need to do. You need to get back into school and no smoking weed, no using alcohol. Do you understand?
yes, sir.
When can this happen?
Tomorrow, my wife's gonna enroll them in school. His
Wonderful.
appointment tomorrow.
Okay, so what I'd like to do is I'd like to set this case off for about 2 weeks to give you guys time to do that. Okay, I'm gonna ask for Jillian to provide proof. As long as you guys have proof that he's enrolled, you don't have to come back. Stay in school. You need to graduate.
Yes, sir.
How old are you now?
17.
Okay, can they still get him in at that age?
Yes.
Okay,
He's gonna take some, my wife's gonna enroll him in high school first, and then there's another program where he's gonna enter and graduate earlier.
so, the idea is perhaps get a trade, like welding, plumbing, electrician. You can make a lot of money. So these underwater welders, $150,000 a year. You're rolling in money. I mean, you have so much money, you don't even know what to do. You know what I mean? That's the idea. But it starts here. Knowledge is power. Do you understand? What do you want?
The income monitor currently, I believe it's I think by the magistrate, or it might have been you, Judge, but
I
that
don't
was,
remember.
we weren't sure about his living situation.
Okay. Are you guys want me to take it off as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But I don't want him out in the middle of the night.
Oh, no.
Okay. You have a curfew. At the minimum, I want you home by 10. Nothing good happens at 2 in the morning with a 17-year-old out there. So you do have a curfew. I will take the monitor off, but I don't want you out in the middle of the night, and you're not to have any weapons. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? You got to leave here better than you came, and it starts with your education. Once you get that education, no one can take it away from you, and you can do so much. Jillian, with her law degree, can do practically anything. That's what it's about. Learning, growing up, so you don't keep making the same mistake. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good luck, Mr. Arispe. Thanks for coming. All right.